Hey everyone, this is Debajit. Welcome to my channel Golden Brown. Today I am going to cook a Punjabi recipe which is called chicken Patiala. But before that, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And if you are very new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And share it to your friend and family. And please don't forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. So before wasting any more time, let's start the recipe. For chicken patiala, I have taken 1 kg of chicken. I have cleaned it up and then I am going to put it 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, followed by 100 grams of yogurt, then red chili powder, cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, and then turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each, and then 2 tablespoons of refined to it, and mix it very well. After mixing it, keep it for marination about 30 to 40 minutes. Let's move to next step. Now I am going to cut the tomato. I am cutting it cube sized, but you can finely soft it and you can cut it however you like it. I have taken 3 tomatoes medium sized and 200 grams of onion. 50% of that are finely soft, other would be in cube sized, because we are going to prepare this in 2 different ways, so keep watching and don't skip anything. Let's first finely chop the onions, and now I am going to cube it and setting it aside. Now I am going to cut the capsicum or green pepper in cube size and setting it aside. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of refined oil. First of all, add cinnamon stick, then cardamom, cloves, cumin seed, onion, which is finely chopped, and fry it for a few seconds. Now I am going to add cumin seed powder, followed by meat masala, Kashmiri miर्च powder, and ginger garlic paste to it. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and frying it until it becomes golden brown. Now I am going to add that cube size chopped tomato to it. I am going to fry it for next 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it takes more than 3 minutes, up to 5 minutes. Depends upon how you heat the pan. Then add green chilies to it as per your taste requires, but at least 2 to 3 is recommended. Followed by half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, and fry it. Since it's a Punjabi dish, I am going to add here 2 to 3 potatoes. Don't put the potatoes at the very first step, do it on this specific step and fry it for a few seconds. And then take away some fries mixture of onions and tomatoes. We are going to use this for gravy purpose. Now keep it aside and keep frying. At this stage, you will know that it's time to add the chicken. It's been already 35 minutes and we are adding the chicken to it. On the other flame, heat the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of butter to it. Add some refined to it. Almost 2 to 3 teaspoons would be alright. Dear cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, red chili powder, cinnamon stick, cloves, and add the cubed onion to it. And keep frying for a few seconds. At this stage, put it half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and keep frying. Then finely chopped ginger garlic, 2 teaspoons. I recommend don't put ginger garlic paste to it. Add finely chopped because it's flavor and aroma. It's time to add the capsicum to it, the green pepper, and keep frying. And now I'm going to put it palak over here. This is completely optional. If you love it, you can add it. If you don't have it, you can skip it as well. And keep frying it. Now add half a teaspoon of salt to taste and keep frying. It must be mentioned here that on the other flame our chicken is frying, so don't forget to stir it in between. At this step, I am going to add cashew nut paste to it. And stir it continuously. In this stage, don't forget to stir, otherwise you are going to burn it. Now put the onion and tomato in, which we kept separately, and fry so for some time, and then add water to it. 1 cup of water will be alright. On the other hand, let's check our chicken and see, it is almost done. We're going to add the gravy to it at this stage, and we're going to mix it. Now add 20 to 25 grams of low fat cream to it and mix it very well.
See, this is how it's look like at the very end. And our chicken patiala is done, and it can be served with steamed rice, naan, roti, whatever you like to have it with. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.